Bitch in my penthouse right now. She got on a Poochie gown, ready to get piped down. I stashed 900,000 case I.
For me, my son Steven, I got chilly. My son Monty not trying to be in the vlog. See what's up? Yeah. You feel me? We just got done hooping in the library right now. Going homework and shit, bro. But yeah, you always gotta lock in before you have fun. You feel me? But son Steve. We got a different room in the library, you feel me? It's a smaller room, so we can log in, you feel me? I gotta read this shit and then annotate it, bro. This shit is ass. Shit booty. Like, yeah, actress.
Bro, let's do it.
What, Mercedes? That shit hard, right? You fuck with that shit, Z? You fuck with that song, bro? Mercedes by Tuesday, bro.
Part 1 or part 2?
Part 1, bro. Part 1, the best song, bro. Huh? Part one is the better version, right? My son Money, bro. My son Sar Money, bro. Okay. Just come here, fucking shit up, bro. Suck my dick. Bro, when we in here, bro, we back from the library. I had to link up with my son Wild Style. You feel me? That's the he got a SAR money license plate, bro. You feel me? That's tough. Yo, alright, Giggy. You gonna be back, bro. Safe. You feel me? My son Bird is prime in the cut. Bird! What's good, Giggy? You know what I'm saying? Right now, we going to the comments. You know what I'm saying? Kurt talking about some, bro, you should vlog in the comments, show them how ass this shit is. I'm like, bro, this shit is calm, bro. Like, it's not even that, Kurt, it's ass, bro. Bro, it's not that bad, bro. They chatting, bro. But
How you not jacking it now?
jacking the comments
You're
out.
not jacking it now because of the vlog, bro.
What you trying to say? Nah, son. It's the last 2 weeks of the semester. You feel me? We got the last 2 weeks. The first year of college is over. You know what I'm saying? I got my story time with Kurt coming on the way soon.
Why you bumping me and shit, bro?
You see why you gotta act like that, bro?
What's
Like,
wrong with you, bro?
but yeah, we got finals and shit. We got a whole bunch of extra shit that nobody don't want to do, bro. Like shit ass, bro. Like we gonna get through it, bro. We gonna get through it. You feel me? We in the comments right now.
What's this?
My son Lex at work.
What's that? What's this? What's this?
Nah, that's vegan shit.
Alright, then give me
You
the
want taco
chicken.
fruit?
Yeah. We can make it taco.
Brooklyn's finest, my
Make my
son
shit-
Lex.
Lex, make my shit good, bro. I want the
My son
chicken
Lex, nah,
beans
Lex
and
really
rice
W
on
man.
all three,
Cause
bro.
look, Lex really about to finesse his shit. Look how much rice he put on his shit. Look how,
W man.
yo, Lex, get in his shit. Lex, get
In my shit, bro.
Nah, they close at 9.
look how much meat Lex giving you right now.
You about to get off.
Yeah, fake.
You said 10 minutes?
You finessing your shit. 20 minutes. What you mean?
27.
What time is it, gang?
7:33.
Yeah,
Shit.
so they don't say nothing to you.
And the beans,
Just so they don't say
bro.
nothing to me.
Look, he's stirring your shit like harder, nigga. I'm playing with my son Lex. My son Lex is a chef, bro. Look at him, bro. Lex employee of the month, bro. Look. Get the coleslaw, the salsa, all of that shit.
Lettuce and that cheese and that's it, bro. Just a little bit. I don't like too much.
My son Lex, bro. He really real right in your shit. My son chefing it up. Chef Lex, bro.
Just a
Gordon
little bit,
Ramsay.
bro.
Lex the hood Gordon Ramsay, bro.
There you go.
You feeling me?
Thank you.
It's a good looking, Gaggy. Nah, I didn't want one, bro. Oh, yes. So this is my son Chris, bro. My son Kev. Oh yeah.
I'm about to see if Lex finesse my shit, bro.
Let's see your legs for next year shit, bro.
Where you get these glasses from?
Glasses, bro. I bought them, bro. Dior glasses, bro.
Why is the camera quality?
You said, why is my camera quality so good? I don't know, bro. I just do what I do, bro. Nah, it's the XR, bro. Shit old as hell, bro. Yeah, I'm probably this is Dior. Dior X Prada and Off-White. It's a collab.
Lex finesse my shit.
Chill, just a little, bro. You know what I'm saying? I touch a little paper. Nah, look at you. Look at my son Chris. Look, bro. I got fly, bro. Oh, yeah. Cam got on the Aries and shit, bro. Yeah, Cam fly his ass, bro. Bro, I'm playing. This is not good, bro. I took them shit from Ari, bro.
Yeah. You got it.
Bro, Ari had them shits, bro. I'm like, Ari, use the thought shades, bro. Use the thought shades, bro. I took them shits, bro. Alright, y'all, safe. Nah, but, the comments is not that bad, bro. You see my son Kyle dicking it down, bro. Kurt dicking it down, bro. It's not as ass as niggas make it seem, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I like the front camera way more than the back camera.
Sure, that one.
I don't like beans and rice, bro.
That with rice?
A lot of niggas don't like me for that because I say I don't like beans and rice, bro. They start hating,
You
bro.
don't like rice either?
I don't like both of them. It's just booty.
You don't like rice curd?
I do.
This is nasty, bro. Bad beats, bro. I look good at the front.
Little ass kid.
You a hitter, bro. You know what I'm saying? Nothing comes good from a hating ass nigga. Nothing.
I'm not hitting.
Remember that, y'all. Nothing comes good from a hating ass nigga.
You eat like a little bitch.
Nothing comes good from a hating ass nigga. Remember that, y'all. Feel me? My son Lamar in the cut, bro. You feel me? We had a fire alarm real quick, bro.
It's brick as fuck, bro.
This brick is shit right now, bro. You feel me? Nah, but we out here though. You feel me? It's deep as hell, bro. I don't know who set the fucking fire alarm off. 11 o'clock, bro. Niggas is dumb as hell, bro. How you feel about the fire alarm, man?
I'm cold, bro. What do you mean? Nigga, how I feel, nigga.
I said, nigga, I'm cold, bro.
I feel 0 degrees Celsius, nigga.
You see, dog.
Big ass ice cube right now, nigga.
Nah, it is cold as shit. Nah, that's cold as shit, bro. Nah, but no funny shit, y'all. I gotta really talk to y'all, bro. I'm really going through something right now, bro. You feel me? My son Steve in the cut, bro. My son Kurt, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Huh?
He vote too.
What's he bro?
Yesterday and today. You vote? Now, bro. Nah, but you blocking the camera, bro. So, bro.
This is my shit now. Kim, this is my vlog now, little bro. Yangy, we took over his shit. This his shit, it's our shit now. Fuck is he talking about? Here, take your vlog back, nigga.
I don't know who this nigga think he was talking to. So that's not his body. Don't let this shit fool y'all, bro. You feel me? But we out here, bro. Next time, probably gonna see y'all. Probably gonna be in the room chilling. Alright, y'all. Sunday morning. Feel me? Nice, beautiful wonderful, amazing Sunday morning. I'm walking to my son Kurt. We about to go to the library right now. I got a presentation final to do tomorrow. Everybody leaving and shit, bro. Yo, the time for campus, like, oh, that's a big ass bird, bro. The time campus be blowing my shit the most, bro, is when people are leaving, bro. Cause when that happens, bro, that's like the deadest, bro. Or when everybody goes to a party. Everybody goes to a party, you don't go, bro. Campus be so dead, bro. Like, you don't understand, bro. Campus be dead for so long, bro. Like, the shit don't make sense, bro. But you just gotta sit there and just deal with it, bro. But this college shit is tough, bro. Finals week is nothing like Finals week is nothing like I experienced in my whole life, bro. It's nothing like finals week, bro. Cause in high school we had Regents week. Well, I'm from New York, so we had Regents week, right? I don't know what y'all do or whatever. You feel me? Feel free to let me know in the comments. But in New York we did Regents, or it was Regents week, where it would just be like a week in the summer or in the winter. You just take all your tests, bro. Finals week, imagine it's like Regents week, but on steroids times 1,000. That shit hard as hell, bro. Like, my son Kurt, bro. Oh. Feel me out in the library right now. About to get my son Steve. This nigga, he been here for a whole year. Look at this dumbass. He been here for a whole year. He don't know how to get to the library, bro. Granted, the library is locked, but it's different parts of the library, but he don't know how to get into the right part. You know what I'm saying? He's dumb, man. But, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting my project done. I'm about to show you how it looks when it's done, bro. You feel me? Yeah. Amigo.
Good, y'all. See the shirt, man? See the shirt?
That's Dame Threads, bro.
Dame Threads, bro.
That's
Go cop.
Dame Threads.
I'm telling y'all, go cop. Got some heat dropping. You feel me?
Bro, soon, bro. Soon, bro. The shorts. The library, bro.
Which part?
Like I said earlier, bro, Steve been here for a year, bro. You don't know where the library at, bro.
There's another entrance?
Mm-hmm. It's over here. That's Kurt, bro. Feel me? Bro, we've been in here for like 5 hours, bro. We taking a mental break, bro. You feel me? Like, Steve. Mind say something to the vlog, Iggy. Marty funny as hell. You talking about you about to
She trying to throw that CT shit up, nigga. What are you talking about? She talking about something.
Nah, Monty funny as hell, bro. Oh, look. Hey, this is my design project I've been working on. It's about gray wolves. Shit look tough, right? I know. It's not done. I gotta do a little chart shit right here, and then I think my shit should be finished, bro. You feel me? Crib, my shit not ass, bro. You feel me? I put time into this shit. I dust this shit, bro. Like, time and effort, bro. It pays off, bro. That's a lesson, kids. You feel me? You put time and effort into anything, bro. You could do anything that you put your mind to, bro. You feel me? Real shit, bro. You feel me? That's the quote of the day from yours truly, bro. Can't finesse. You feel me? Kurt, you got a quote of the day, bro?
Nah, bro. My fault, bro. I got a quote of the day, nigga. Come on. You know, the tree is green. Life is nice. If you want to gain weight, get in the gym and eat some rice.
Yo, Steve, bro, you got a quote of the day, bro. Steve, you got a quote of the day, bro.
The quote of the day is on this shirt, nigga. Show this shirt, nigga.
Dame Threads. Dame Threads.
Yo, y'all see the shirt, bro. Look. Y'all see that A$AP Rocky? What A$AP Rocky say? What he say?
I'm that pretty motherfucker.
What he say, bro? Yo, go cop. I'm telling y'all, bro. Y'all not gonna regret it, bro.
Good
quality,
Dame Threads,
you know what I'm
bro.
saying? Fit nice, you feel me? Come on, that's Steve, bro.
You're a fly guy, bro.
what I'm saying,
Yo,
bro.
what you doing over here, bro? Bro, I'm doing a little presentation, bro. You feel me? It's my last presentation. Yeah. Public knowledge and censorship, feel me? And some smart shit, you know?
Yeah. So what you talking about? Your censorship with the government?
Yeah, bro. How they be trying to corrupt? Like they corrupt, bro. They all corrupt, bro. You
Yeah.
feel me? Like they trying to keep shit from the public. You know what I'm saying? It fucks with everybody's head because nobody really knows what's going on, bro.
Yeah.
How the fuck? Like what happened to that nigga that found the cure for COVID, bro? It's dead. They killed that nigga, bro.
What happened to the nigga found made a car that ran on water, bro?
Oh yeah, I
Bro,
seen that. They killed
a
that
nigga found
nigga.
a cure for cancer, and that nigga was dead like the next
Oh,
day.
you talking about the doctor?
Bro,
What's
that
his face?
doctor, bro.
I know what you're talking about. The doctor, bro.
They killed him, bro. The government killed Michael Jackson, bro. They hired that doctor to kill that nigga, bro. I'm dead ass, bro. I'm dead ass.
Monty, look at that shit. Niggas like y'all crazy.
She's not woke, bro. She don't really know. She don't
Monty, you not woke, bro.
Look, she's stuck in the Matrix.
stuck in the Matrix, bro.
Gazer, nigga.
She don't sun gaze, bro. She don't.
Yo, Steve, let me get a gazer, bro.
Gazer.
Gazer. Let me get one. Gazer, nigga.
Bro, you don't be sun gaze?
Sun gazer, you feel me?
She don't know what sun.
You don't know what sun gazing is?
Nah, you're lost. She's lost, bro.
She's lost.
There's
bro.
no redemption, bro.
God bless you.
Lost.
Yo, Steve.
gotta find
Yo,
God.
Steve, what's your catchphrase, bro?
Oh, God bless. Good night, bro.
What's good, bro?
Let me get a fit of the day, gang. Let me what you got on, bro? Like,
Carmine, you feel me? Jordan 6s. Not the new ones that came out. The old shit. You feel me? Get the back of my shit.
get the back of his shit.
Right.
Damn.
These is some.
Then he got the Psychomiris on, you feel me? he got the Psychomiris. Safety, bro.